How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through my exact levels I'm watching for the upcoming week, kind of give you my thought process. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. I do have one quick announcement before we get started on our SPY levels. I have some individual stocks on watch as well. Today is the last day to get in on the Team Bull 7-day free trial. Okay, it starts today and it ends next Sunday. So if you want to do that, I'll leave a link in the description. Go sign up now so you don't miss out. Try us out 7 days for free, and then if you want to sign on, you get a very nice discount. So go check that out. Let's get right into our levels. The only two levels I'm watching on SPY this week is this 444 bounce for calls and this 458.12 reject for puts. Very simple levels. This is a simple support, and this is a nice resistance on the weekly time frame. This should definitely be a nice level to watch. I'm going to be looking for signs of reversal up here, whether it be candles, volume, whatever is in your trading plan that confirms a trade for you, watch for it in that area. Here's my support and resistance levels on SPX. They have not changed from last week, so screenshot this so you have it. I use SPX to guide my SPY trades and my ES futures trades, and I do have a nice level for all my futures traders out there on ES, so stick around. I never like to go short on ES or take SPY puts above support on SPX. I never like to take SPY calls or go long on ES below resistance on SPX. That simple tip will keep you from stopping out and losing money. It tends to reject or bounce at them levels. Here's my ES game plan for all my futures traders out there. I'm looking for around that 4,500 area bounce. To be exact, it's 4493.75 is the exact number I'm watching. But keep an eye on reversal before that, because at 4,500 could be some buyer setting there. We'll have to see what it looks like once we get closer to that level. It's been a while since I've had AMC on my day trading watch list, but that huge pump up after close on Friday, I just cannot ignore it. So we're currently sitting at like $7.18. You can't see it here because it did happen. You can't see it on the weekly or daily time frame because it did happen. Let me just show you. Happened after close. You can see it on the hourly though. See, huge pump up. So currently sitting around the 7.18 per share. So I like this as long as we hold this 6.79 area. I like it long to the upside. We got room to 8.53 and then to 9.15. I was in, and a lot of Team Bull was in. We sold SPY puts, so this is going to be a huge payday for us when the market opens on Monday. We're going to close them out, collect our premiums, and then we're going to be looking to day trade this if we get a nice entry, unless it just pumps up, or just falls apart and fails that level. But as long as we hold this 7 area to 6.8, I like it to the upside. We fail this, I'm going to be out of it. I'm not going to be looking to day trade it anymore. Now let me show you my levels I have on up here. So ideally we catch it in this area here, catch the move up to 8.5, then 9.15. Above that we have room up to this 10.75. I'm sure we'll have a little resistance here at this 10 Hosike number, but 10.75, then above that we have quite a bit of room. So definitely something to keep on watch. Keep in mind it is a meme stock, higher risk, and don't be afraid to trade shares on this above options, because if you're day trading, like if you're buying options on this, the IV is going to be super high, so that's going to mess with your premium. Just keep that in mind. Another individual stock I like this week is this Airbnb, if we can get above this 150. If we stay below it, I'm not interested. I want to see us break above this and hold, build a base. We could actually wait on a retest, probably for a safer entry, break above and a pullback. Enter off that retest, look for signs of a reversal there. And that's all I have for this week. I'm not currently at my home base, at home in my office. I'm traveling. I will be back to my normal schedule very soon. This short trip, but I still plan on crushing it inside Team Bull every day this week with you all. I'm looking forward to that. We have FOMC meeting on Wednesday, which is my favorite to trade. It's going to be at 2 p.m. Eastern time. And I plan on putting a video out for you all before then of how I trade it. So be sure to check that out. Appreciate you all for watching. I'll see you next time.